23 years after its last guests left, CR16 still stands with all 3 hotel wings locked open. Lyra's team does not begin with cleaning or dismantling. They first record the cracks, corrosion, mineral deposits, and load positions without touching the structure. 2 mechanical height references confirm that the second level is 8 centimeters lower on the right. Careful restoration begins by understanding how the vehicle carries its weight and why it could never close again. Before any heavy repair begins, the team protects the fragile basalt and secures all 16 wheels with 32 custom restraint shoes. Mechanical pressure plates reveal that one right front wheel carries 17% more load than its partner. A dry inspection then finds about 640 kilograms of mineral buildup inside the right balance tank, while one folding cable remains seized. The problem is now clear. Trapped weight and a locked cable have kept the second hotel level out of balance. The blockage is treated as evidence, not waste. Each dry layer is sealed and matched to its original location, revealing basalt dust, mineral scale, and residue from the failed moisture membrane. A hand-operated divider removes only the most restricted pipe section without releasing debris onto the plateau. Manual measurements then expose a thinned lower wall. The damaged section is replaced with removable split collars, making future inspection possible without cutting the original water system again. The team does not lift the entire vehicle. 3 independent towers and 6 wide straps share only the weight of the second hotel level. As sealed mineral blocks leave the right balance tank, the manual adjusters correct the structure in 2mm stages. After every step, the roller contact and load indicators are checked again. The final height difference is reduced from 8 centimeters to only 3 millimeters. A guest room door now closes freely, confirming the level is aligned without hiding its original age or forcing the folding system. Replacing the entire folding rail would remove too much of CR16's original structure. Instead, a segmented template records the surviving curve, and a manual correction frame reshapes only 3 distorted points. All 18 rollers are then inspected in their original order. 4 receive replaceable bearing layers, 2 worn shafts receive fitted sleeves, and 1 mineral-blocked position catch is serviced in dry containment. A lightweight reference carriage now passes through the rail without disturbing the clearance tabs, confirming a continuous folding path before any powered test. CR16's water system is rebuilt as 3 independent circuits: moisture collection, hotel service, and pool return. A new dry chamber removes basalt dust before it reaches the replaceable membrane sections. In the pool, only the damaged crack receives a flexible repair layer, while short bridge plates allow the original basin to expand in desert heat. The widened return edge captures the low-volume test water and sends every drop back to the sealed central tank. A closed loop protects both the hotel's balance and the desert beneath it. CR16's black eyes are part of its identity, so the original outer glass is not discarded. The team removes only the failed inner laminated layers, while every fragment remains secured inside a retention enclosure. New inner panels provide strength, but the fine outer cracks and mineral lines remain visible. In the hotel rooms, each window is judged separately. Safe panels are preserved, damaged seals are replaced, and only unsafe glass is removed. Flexible joints allow the 3 folding levels to move without placing rigid pressure on the restored windows. CR16's 16 wheels carry 4 different kinds of load, so one repair method cannot serve them all. The 4 steering tires receive replaceable tread segments, while the 12 rear tires keep their original casings and receive only local inserts. Restraint bands support each aged tire before its pressure is released. Counter-rotating cradles then allow one wheel pair to turn without moving the hotel. Balanced contact patterns confirm that the repaired wheels can share the weight while preserving their original sidewalls and visible age. Before guests can enter, the restored hotel must carry a realistic load without temporary support. Sealed ballast cases are distributed across the sleeping suites, lounge, and stargazing deck instead of being concentrated in one place. Mechanical indicators measure how each level responds as the shallow pool adds its own weight. The folding rail remains aligned, the flexible glass joints stay stable, and the closed water loop keeps the ground dry. After the test, every ballast case and every drop of water is safely removed. After 23 years, CR16 is ready to close again, but not in one continuous motion. Each hotel level first travels only 5 centimeters, allowing the team to inspect its rollers, glass joints, clearances, and load response. The upper observatory folds first, the sleeping room level follows, and the lower lounge terrace closes last. Keeping the recovered water in the central tank prevents another side imbalance.
All three locks finally seat correctly, proving that careful staged testing is more valuable than forcing a damaged mechanism to move.
CR-16 travels only 24 meters to a verified observation apron, then becomes a hotel again. 3 sky observers study the night above, while 3 environmental researchers test the dust separator and closed moisture loop below. At dawn, every participant leaves before the pool is emptied and the 3 levels close. All water returns to the central tank, and the desert remains dry. CR-16 does not disappear into the horizon. It stays as a seasonal observatory hotel that preserves its scars while serving a new purpose. The hotel interior is restored without washing away its history. Soft brushes, low-suction HEPA tools, and peelable dry gel remove dust and mineral deposits without spreading them through the glass rooms. Original bed frames, cabinet shells, and window structures are preserved, while only failed materials are replaced. Every bed, sofa, table, and storage unit connects to mechanical travel locks, because ordinary loose furniture would shift when the 3 hotel levels fold. The result is clean and luxurious, but original seams, surface marks, and selected traces of age still remain visible. The new finish begins by protecting the glass, tires, folding rails, and water system. Only loose corrosion is removed. Stable pits and important repair seams remain. Thin pearl white layers restore the alien face and 3 hotel levels, while brushed champagne gold returns to the crown and architectural trim. Every spray pass stays inside a filtered, movable enclosure, preventing paint mist from reaching the basalt plateau. The result is bright and luxurious like the original design, but small age marks remain visible, proving that CR-16 was carefully restored rather than simply covered. Under the brightest meteor storm of the season, CR-16 finally opens as a hotel again. 8 guests watch the sky while the restored structure,
flexible glass, and closed water loop work together beneath them. When the crowd shifts to one side, the manual balance system quietly corrects the load without interrupting the night. At dawn, every drop returns to the central tank, and the desert remains dry. After 23 silent years, the celestial crown is no longer waiting to be saved. It is ready to serve again.